What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add or update your WordPress security keys, also known as salt keys, inside of the wp-config.php file using cPanel. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, your WordPress security keys help protect your login sessions and encrypt sensitive information in your cookies. If your site has ever been compromised, if you migrated to a new host, or if you just wanted to tighten up security, updating these keys is one of the quickest and most effective things that you can do. And this is another reason why hosting with RackNerd cPanel shared hosting is so helpful. With File Manager built right in, you can actually update these security keys yourself in just a few minutes. No plugins or complicated steps needed. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make securing and managing your website simple, safe, and reliable. Before we begin, let me also mention that in previous videos, I've shown you how to troubleshoot issues by editing the wp-config.php file. Today, we're going to build on that skill by replacing your salt keys with fresh ones from WordPress's official API. So let's go ahead and get into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, look for File Manager and open it. Navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. In most setups, that's your public_HTML folder. If your site is inside a subfolder, open that instead. Inside this directory, look for a file named wp-config.php. When you see it, right-click the file and choose Edit. A small pop-up may appear warning you about editing system files. Just click Edit again to continue. When the file opens, scroll down a bit until you see a long block of text with several lines mentioning things like auth key, security key, login key, or nonce key. These are your WordPress security keys. Now we're going to replace them with brand new ones. To do that, open a new browser tab and go to the official WordPress salt generator. Just type WordPress salt keys API into Google and visit the URL directly. I'll go ahead and put it on screen, that way you can see it and make sure. When you load that page, WordPress will instantly generate a fresh set of random keys for you. Every time you refresh the page, it creates a new set, so don't worry if they look long, messy, or complicated. That's exactly how they're supposed to look. Select all of the keys from the salt generator page, copy them, and then go back to your wp-config.php file in cPanel, highlight the entire block of old keys in your file, everything from auth key down to nonce salt, and replace them with the new ones that you just copied. Once you've pasted new keys in place, go to the top right and click Save Changes. Then close the editor tab. That's it. Updating these keys will log out every single user on your site, including yourself. This is normal and actually part of the security benefit because it forces old sessions and cookies to become invalid. Go ahead and log back in normally. Your site will now work as usual, now with updated encryption. And that's it, you've successfully updated your WordPress salt keys inside of the wp-config.php file using cPanel. This is one of the easiest ways to instantly improve your site's security, and it only takes a couple of minutes. It's another great example of how RackNerd cPanel hosting gives you full control over your website. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or improving security, File Manager puts the tools you need right at your fingertips. So if you're looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back in another tutorial very soon.